Hey YouTube, this is Zach with Achilles Financial. This is going to be a short update video on what I'm watching this week. Last week we had a lot of very low volume days. I'm expecting more of the same this week, and it is going to be a short week for the holiday this weekend. What I'm going to be looking for this week is to make a play on, or potentially make a play on GUSH. This is a ETF, leveraged ETF on the oil industry. We play this very routinely. I said in the Discord that I'm going to be looking for the $80 range to be able to buy in. That's what I'm going to continue to look for. This is a fund that has continued to struggle after we saw a resurgence of COVID cases associated with this Omicron variant. And as such, I'm going to be waiting to buy in. But overall, I continue to be bullish on oil. We played the strategic reserve release very, very well, and I'm looking to do more of the same. However, at this point in time, I am going to hold and not make a play at this point. The other stock that I am looking to do more of the same is going to be AIRB. This is one that we've talked about on the channel a number of times. It is a fan favorite. We've seen it come down from the more recent heights. If you look at the chart here, it did crest $200 a share. We last were buying in at $130 a share this June and July. What I'm looking for now is to see some of those levels return. The company overall, from a fundamental perspective, continues to perform very, very well. I'm interested to see over the next earnings call to see what the actual impact is associated with some of these additional variants that we've seen this calendar year and what the forecasts are looking like going forward. Most of the reservations I've looked at, and I've been doing just some anecdotal study to see what we can expect from the company, but volume tends to look very, very good in terms of trips booked, and those fees have definitely gone up from where they were 1 year ago, 2 years ago. And overall, I'm continuing to hear people that are buying or renting through Airbnb, as well as the volume online tends to look very, very good. As such, I think the company overall will continue to do well as well. The issue is, again, that Omicron variant continues to put some trouble on travel restrictions, and as such, I think this is a stock that could continue to receive very little love in terms of valuation at this point in time. It is important to note that as some of these valuations are coming out, that the fundamentals continue to look good for the company. I'm hopeful from an income perspective. They continue to post really strong net income quarters. We've talked about this a number of times, but if we can see more of what happened in Q3, I think the company will do really, really well going forward, and that's what I'm going to be looking for. And as such, I think that this is a great time to be dollar cost averaging in, or continue to look at building a position in a company like Airbnb. This is all that I'm looking for this week. Again, it's going to be a shorter week with low volume. As such, I'm going to be hesitant to be going all in. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you find this content helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks. Talk to you later.